Hey, what's up guys? It's Shaq, and if you click the video, you probably know what you're looking for. We're going to be changing the front blower motor resistor in this 2002 Dodge Grand Caravan. Now, this is the same for most of the Grand Caravans and Town Countries for this model. So pretty much the reason you'd want to change your resistor is if you're turning your heat on and it's only working on certain speeds. Say it only works on low, or it only works on high, or it only works on high and low, doesn't work in the middle, you're gonna want to change your blower motor resistor. So it's pretty, actually really simple to do it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it just real quick. Now, I already have mine taken out, and here's what the original resistors look like, really big and bulky. And this is the new resistor I bought from AutoZone. This was only about 16 bucks, and that's the part number you guys need: Duralast JA1473 resistor. And I'll show you what this looks like when you open up the box. But anyways, that's what you need. So the first thing you're gonna do is just open the glove compartment like that, and you're gonna push in both sides. Now, I only have one hand because I'm recording, but you push in this side, pop that out like that, pop out the other side, and it'll just come right down. Now, obviously take your stuff out because it's gonna fall right down. So just take that out, and I guess if Tim from BJ is watching this, that's yours, dude. Anyway, so this is you take that out, and the resistor sits right in the back. So right back here, just like that. Actually, it goes like this. So it's like this, and there's two connectors. I'll plug them in just to show you. Pretty much there, right there. Two connectors. Now there's two screws. There's here is one screw, and here is the other screw right here. So these are two screws. They're 8mm screws. You just take them out, and then you pop the whole resistor out like that. You could unclip. You push this one in right here. Take this out like that, and this one you just click it on the top and just pull it out while on the side, and the resistor just pops out. And that's it. So this resistor is bad. Don't know how you can tell if it's bad or not, but it's bad because I was driving this car. Now we're gonna open up the new resistor right here, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what the new resistor looks like. So the new resistor looks like this. It's a much cleaner design compared to the other one. A lot less shit. I don't know if that's to save money or it's just newer, but you can see there's a big difference in the way the original looks and how the new one looks. Now, so we're just gonna pop this in, very simple, very easy. And now the question you have to ask yourself is, if your resistor went bad, why did it go bad? Many times I would recommend you change the blower motor with this, because many times have I noticed, since I work on a lot of these vans, the blower motor is the reason why the resistor goes bad. It's just a sign that the blower motor is gonna also act up. So if you do not change the blower motor, it's a high chance that your resistor will go bad again. So I highly recommend changing the resistor and the blower motor together. And the blower motor is right there. And if you need a video on how to change the blower motor, we can make that video as well. Just leave it in the comment section below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So once you have that in like that, it's actually pretty simple. You're just gonna put the two screws back in right there, here and here, and pop your glove box set back in, and you're all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, well, you're beat. If you did, you're welcome. And leave any questions or comments or concerns in the comment section below. Follow me on Twitter at Shaq Sweets. Follow me on Instagram at HShacksInsta, and subscribe to this channel for more videos and content.